GetLowered, thanks again for tuning into yet another video. We are unboxing some Baja lights, some Baja design lights. So these are the S1s. This is going on the FX3 fairing on the Lowrider S. This is some additional lighting for the bike, and this is just, you know, a video of what you get inside. So we have, of course, a QR code, another decal. If you guys already seen my other unboxing, I have the LP6 over here, and you guys are wondering, this is the Chinese knockoff one. You guys can find that video where I show you guys what wire connects to what. So wow, another rugged design as well. I went ahead and opted out for the amber ones, so they could look like passing lights. Obviously I am in California, so I didn't want to get the white ones, because I believe those were going to be way too bright, and that was going to get me pulled over, because I do plan on wiring this directly to my accessory wire on my Lowrider S. So let's see what we have here. You have a 2-pin connector, so it's just on or off, and that's it. So we have that. Like I said, we have two. I have the bracket for this, so it is going to be like I said, connected directly to my accessory wire, so that's going to be turned on whenever I have the bike on, and that's the way I kind of want to do it. I don't want to wire it or anything like that with my switch, because I do have a switch on my bike. I have night lights, which are China made LEDs, and they've served their purpose. I haven't had any issues with them. They are extremely bright as well. Have you guys seen my videos? You can see like into the tree, the branches. You can see if there's cats up there. They're super bright. And for what, 30 bucks, they've done the job. The switch housing on those lights cost more than the actual lights themselves. So we have here the wiring, which is pretty cool. I mean, this is included. You don't have that included with the LP6. They don't include any wiring, so you'll have to buy that separate. So let's see, maybe I could figure this out right here without, you know, getting the multimeter or anything like that. So we have a relay here. I'm not sure. I know relays are typically, oh yeah, there it is. There's a switch, so that's why you have a relay. There's a switch there, and these are the connectors for the lights. You also have a fuse, which is pretty neat. You have a fuse. And what is this guy right here? What is this? So I'm not sure what this is. Is this, maybe this is connected to the actual switch? Let's see what else we have in here. We have the instructions. We have some bolts, some mounting. Oh, here. So yeah, you also get the brackets as well. So like I said, I'll be using my own bracket on my FX3 fairing, provided by Dominator Motorcycles. So what do we have here? Let's see, what is this? Switch, white, black. Yeah, that's the white's your positive, the black is your negative. I'm guessing the blue wire is probably a light in the switch. Like I said, the instructions don't say anything, so I'm guessing the blue wire is a little LED light in here, because you can see it's kind of transparent. So I'm guessing there's an LED light in there, and that probably powers the switch. Because other than that, there isn't really, you know, reason for you to have three connectors here for this. So I don't know, you guys let me know in the comments. I think what I could do is probably wire the white one, because that's the positive. Wire that one to the, man, I'm coughing, I'm still sick. So wire the white one to the auxiliary, to the accessory light, and then ground it. And I believe that should be good enough to power these lights once they're connected. You're also provided with some JAE connectors, and that's to what is this for? Because these have the connectors themselves. These also have the connectors themselves. So maybe this is somehow to connect it with I guess to connect it directly to your vehicle. I guess that would be that. Because yeah, you already have them here. So maybe this is, what is this for? I guess this is if you wanted to hook it up directly to your vehicle instead of having these relays. Instead of having this relay switch. Instead of having this, you could connect it directly to your OEM wires. I'm guessing that's why they provide you with these male JAE connectors. So yeah, that's pretty much it. They look pretty solid. I'm excited to get these installed and have them, you know, running as my passing lights. Hopefully we'll find out if I could get away with wiring them directly to the bike. And you know, if California has an issue, then I'm gonna have to go ahead and, instead of using this little switch, you know, this looks like it's from Amazon, I'm gonna wire it directly to my rocker switch, my Harley-Davidson rocker switch that I have on the Lowrider S. So a lot of lights here. I mean, a lot of wires. Yeah. So I mean, you're provided with everything. You don't have to you know, buy the wires, the harness separately. You have everything right here. You even have the fuse, which is pretty neat. You could wire, you know, you can wire this directly to the battery, and then you know, use the switch here and connect it to whatever you want. You can use the provided switch from Baja Designs, of course. You can use this one. So you guys leave your comments down below. Let me know what you guys think. What do you think? You know, these are pricey compared to my night lights, but you know, I wanted some extra lighting on the bike, even with the LP6 right here. Just wanted a little bit extra light. I want to be seen. That's, you know, that's for sure. So you guys stay tuned. Leave your comments down below. Let me know if, you know, if I got anything wrong. Maybe you guys probably having a, you know, a better understanding of this, you know, rat nest here. Maybe you guys could probably give me some tips. But after reading this, I don't see much of anything. Let me read it one more time and then I'll get back to you guys. Yeah, that's it. You guys stay tuned for the installs. I am getting around to it. I am doing multiple builds right now. I am building out the Sportster again. I call it the ST. I am in the process of getting that done. I just don't know when I'll be able to spray them, because, man, you know, laying down lines and all this other stuff takes time. And of course the LP9, we'll get around to that probably maybe next week. I don't know, man. It's just, yeah, I'm just swamped right now with, you know, working, being sick, and you know, spending time with the family. Yeah. Yes, stay out there, stay safe. Thanks for tuning in. Leave your comments down below. Let me know if I got anything wrong, if I, you know, did some kind of misinformation, because I'm, you know, I got called out for supposedly misinformation. But go ahead and leave your comments down below. This is my first time, you know, buying LP or Baja Designs lighting, so I'm not familiar with any of this. This is my first time buyer of this product. So, all right, stay out there, stay safe. Later.